All right, if you are watching this video, it's because you are in my English 10 class and you missed at some point this week, week 4. So here we go. Monday was independent reading time, which I don't even think we got to. By the way, I'm recording this video at the very end of the week. Normally I record these videos at the beginning, so I'm talking about it as if it already happened because it has. We took some notes, so we went through and watched these videos and answered these questions about logos, ethos, and pathos. So there's that video. And this one, you'll go through, watch the video, they're very quick, and then answer these questions. And then I asked you this question to highlight yes or no. Do you think one of these things is better than the other? And then you're going to tell me your explanation as to why. Then we did reading time. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we kind of recapped a little bit. And then we talked about these 3 scenarios that becoming a vegetarian, if this was a hypothetical, I was trying to convince you, and I gave you these 3 arguments, which one out of the 3 would be most convincing for you? So you tell me on this side which one and tell me why. And then we went over the example of trying to convince your grandma to get a smartphone. The first time you tell her to use TikTok, she doesn't get the smartphone. The second time you tell her if she gets a smartphone, she could FaceTime you. And then all of a sudden she is in on buying that phone. And then we talked about why in-person school is better than distance learning, coming up with another example right here. And then we had a conversation using this prompt. And the whole point was to talk about knowing your audience and why it's important to know your audience and what you can do to practically write for your audience, meaning what are some specific things that you would look for or try to use when speaking to somebody in order to convince them. And then we had some more independent reading time. And then on Thursday and Friday, we read this article. I gave this out to you in class, and you highlighted and took some notes on these 4 things. And then we got together in small groups and made posters and did so based off the topic that you were given. This took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. So this is all we got to. And then we did some check-ins. Everything else, this slide and then the Kobe slide, we did not get to it all. So you can submit week 4 and have this slide be blank and then the Kobe slide be blank as well, because we just didn't get to it. So we will do that following the following week, week 5. So that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know.